What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew with Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys another quick YouTube video. So I haven't released a new podcast this week, but in this video I figured we'll just go through the brand new AT OVO 4 sample and MIDI pack. This is a sample and MIDI pack that is designed for producers to make Drake inspired beats, or Party Next Door, or anyone else you might see or hear part of the OVO camp or Drake style. So let's take a look at that pack. I'm gonna pull it up right over here. Now, typically our OVO sample packs do not contain MIDI, but this one does. So in here, let's just go through and grab some samples and I'll play it through the playlist for us. So I have 4 out of the 20 samples picked in our playlist. Like I said, there's 20 total different melody compositions, including their MIDI and stems. So it gives you producers full creativity or full creative freedom to do whatever you would like to these samples, to your beats. There is no limiting factors, unlike some of our competitors, which they don't give you the MIDI or they don't give you stemmed out samples. We do. So whatever you guys are trying to do, whatever you guys want to learn from the samples themselves, you guys can, as we are giving you everything. Now, what are these samples sounding like? Let's go ahead and play it. So I'm gonna zoom this up a little bit, and then we're gonna play it from the beginning to the end. I love Lush. This one's super fire. Then we got Home next. Now, let's take a look inside just the sample Home, just so you guys know exactly what you guys are getting in this pack. Now, obviously, we're not going to go through every single sample because that would take a very long time. So we're just going to look at Home real quick. So I have everything from the sample Home laid out in here. We have all the stems, and then we have the MIDI track. You can see if I were to pull it up, it has everything. This is the piano, this is the bass, guitar right there. You got, and then the hi-hats right there. So everything is laid out for you guys. So if you don't like how our sample or sound pick is, then you guys can just, you know, use the MIDI and then change it out. So let's go ahead and play the whole composition. Super fire. So this is a part of the AT OVO 4 sample and MIDI pack, available over and only at beatitat.com. Link to that pack is down in the description as well. If you guys are watching this relatively to the release of this video or before 2022, we are having a site-wide sale for everything, and we also have coupons available for bulk orders. If you are a member over at beatitat.com, then you guys should be receiving an email with those coupons. If you guys haven't yet, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I can even give you the coupon codes down there. Now, all of these options and savings are only available till the end of 2021. So If you guys want to save and get a lot of packs for low cost, this is the best time to do it. This is Andrew, Beat It AT, production and publishing. Thanks, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.